Hi, in this episode of Another Piece of Scrap, we are off to collect what allegedly is a genuine piece of scrap. What have you bought? I can't tell you what I bought, because you are going to be surprised when we get there. So we're driving all this way to Henley-on-Thames, and we have no idea what we're going to get. Apparently, it used to run when parked.
Got a message from him.
Excellent.
And it says, "Morning, can you confirm you're on your way today? We'll get all the bits out ready. Thanks."
Bits.
Oh God.
We're here.
We made it. Right.
What has he bought? What has he bought? What have you bought?
A nice blue Land Rover.
Can you see the Land Rover?
I can see the Land Rover.
It's not the Land Rover.
It's not the Land Rover, is it?
Okay, what is it?
Hiya.
Carlton,
I was on the money.
how are you? Excellent.
What do I win, Mark?
What do you win? Because you said it was an ex-GPO brand, didn't you?
I did. Is it? Oh my God. I can see through the floor.
The inner front wings.
Yeah.
We've been up to see Mark for months.
Where is it? I've heard it.
My mum had a sewing machine.
My starter motor's like that.
I said, yeah, let's make it heavier before we put it on the van.
This is what Mark has bought. Absolutely stunned. I was sort of on the money with this. We're going to drag it back, see what we think. Yeah, I don't recall there being a gap there, Chris.
No, there's definitely not a big gap like that. There definitely wasn't a gap like that.
That's moving, isn't it?
That is. Have we got another strap to go around the front?
Hey Mark, your Morris, mine is breaking in half.
That is actually, you're not going to have to take it off. Maybe it'd be gone before we get there.
I want that.
Hey
bit.
Mark, that's not, that's not very good. Is that meant to open?
No, that's an anti-theft device, that is.
I think the door frame's moved.
That is definitely, I don't know, there's definitely nothing holding it now. I mean, to be honest, I think it's a good job we tied that rope on us, I don't think it'll still be there.
Because there's quite a gap here, boys.
There is. It's fine. If we don't talk about it, it'll be alright.
If we ignore the problem, it will go away, Mark.
See, the reason this side hasn't moved is because Chris tied it with a piece of string.
I wondered if it'd still be there if I didn't.
So it's not going to go any further.
Yeah, I think that string's making all the difference.
One of those. Look, that's brand new.
Good God, it is.
Oh, look.
Look.
We've got a new component. What is it?
I don't know. Not a clue
No.
what that is. But
Whatever it
new.
is, it's new.
It's new.
Oh well, let's go have a coffee.
Yes.
Back to the kettle.
Well, everyone, we've made it home.
I can't be bold, just sat there doing nothing. Some better days.
There we are, it's back in his new home.
I'm just relieved it's here. Happiness doesn't come. Relief. This is the face of relief.
It is, isn't it?
Because it's been not a hard day, but it's been a mentally stressful day.
But it's done and it's home.
It's here.
And behold its
Oh
magnificence.
yeah, look. It's got these and everything. Look.
What's he got?
It's got these.
So you hold the door.
Oh, it holds the door open.
Yeah, this is the height of technology, 1956.
In, James.
Yeah, look at that.
Is that what year this is?
No, this is a 72.
Is it?
Yeah.
1972.
Yeah, this is a modern version of it.
This and that idea hasn't changed for how many years?
It's a good-
quality. That is a quality year. 1972.
We can only see one chin. It's all right.
That's even better.
Don't take that forward because the glare from your bulb patches.
Blind. Not blind. Blind. Not blind.
I'll cut that. Well, everyone, thank you for hanging out with us today. It's been really good fun hanging out with mates, going to find a new project vehicle that Mark's going to be doing up. I think Mark is actually deliriously happy, to be honest. And we look forward to bringing you updates on this throughout Mark's build as the months progress.
Years, yes.
So thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.
Goodbye.
Bye.
See you soon.